Get into the 2025 Toyota Tacoma. Take your spirit of adventure with you into town or off-road when you're at the wheel of this versatile Tacoma. With a reputation for ruggedness and a suite of driver assistance features to keep you focused, this midsize pickup has you covered. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: wireless Apple Carplay and/or Android Auto, Apple Carplay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, touchscreen infotainment system, proximity key entry, four-wheel drive, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, iPod, MP3 input. Get serious about your fun. Get into this rugged Tacoma and answer the call to adventure. We've got the expertise and professionalism to make your purchase and ownership experience the best it can be.